The distant traveler. Pluto is a fascinating world located far, far away in our solar system. It resides in the Kuiper Belt, a region filled with icy bodies and remnants from the solar system's formation. It's much smaller than the 8 major planets, and for a long time we knew very little about it. Discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh, Pluto was initially classified as the 9th planet. Pluto's orbit is unlike the other planets. It takes 248 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. It's elliptical and tilted, making it a unique and mysterious object in our cosmic neighborhood. This unusual orbit sometimes brings Pluto closer to the Sun than Neptune, defying the typical planetary paths we are familiar with. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons mission gave us the first close-up images of Pluto, revealing a surprisingly complex and diverse world with mountains, plains, and even potential ice volcanoes. Pluto also has 5 known moons, with Charon being the largest. This moon is so big that Pluto and Charon are sometimes considered a double dwarf planet system. Searching for Planet X. For many years, astronomers suspected there might be a 9th planet beyond Neptune. They called it Planet X. In 1930, a young astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh made a remarkable discovery. By carefully comparing photographs of the night sky, he found a faint, moving object. This object was Pluto. A world of ice. Pluto is incredibly cold, with temperatures dropping to as low as -375 degrees Fahrenheit. Its surface is covered in different types of ice, including nitrogen, methane, and water ice. These ices create a stunning, otherworldly landscape that is both beautiful and mysterious. Imagine a world where glaciers are made of nitrogen. These nitrogen glaciers slowly flow across the surface, carving out valleys and shaping the terrain in ways that are still being studied by scientists. Scientists believe that beneath Pluto's icy shell might be a vast ocean of liquid water. This ocean, hidden beneath layers of ice, could be kept warm by the heat from Pluto's core. This hidden ocean could potentially harbor life, making Pluto an exciting target for future exploration. The possibility of finding life in such an extreme environment challenges our understanding of where life can exist and thrive in the universe. Pluto is not alone in its journey around the Sun. It has 5 known moons. The largest moon, Charon, is so big that Pluto and Charon are often considered a double dwarf planet system. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union, or IAU, decided on a new definition of a planet. Pluto, unfortunately, didn't quite fit the criteria. It was reclassified as a dwarf planet. This decision sparked much debate, but it ultimately helped scientists better categorize objects in our solar system based on their characteristics. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft made history by flying past Pluto, a dwarf planet located in the Kuiper Belt, far beyond Neptune. This mission was a monumental achievement in space exploration, marking the first time humanity had ventured so far to study a celestial body up close, giving us our first close-up view of this distant world. The spacecraft traveled over 3 billion miles to reach Pluto, a journey that took nearly a decade. As it approached, anticipation grew among scientists and space enthusiasts alike. The images and data sent back were breathtaking. We saw towering mountains made of water ice, vast plains covered in nitrogen ice, and a surprisingly complex and varied landscape. These features challenged our previous assumptions about what a small, cold world could look like, and evidence of geological activity. This was unexpected, as scientists had thought Pluto would be geologically dead. Instead, we found signs of tectonic movements and possible cryovolcanism, indicating that Pluto is still an active world. New Horizons revolutionized our understanding of Pluto and its moons. The spacecraft also captured detailed images of Pluto's largest moon, Charon, revealing a landscape just as diverse and intriguing as Pluto's. Pluto, though small and distant, continues to fascinate us. Its diameter is only about 1/6 that of Earth, yet it holds a wealth of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The data from New Horizons has provided scientists with years of material to study and analyze. It reminds us that our solar system is full of surprises, with each mission revealing new and unexpected findings. From the icy moons of Jupiter to the rings of Saturn, every corner of our solar system has its own story to tell, and there's still so much more to learn about the universe we live in. As we continue to explore, we are constantly reminded of the vastness and complexity of space. Each discovery not only answers old questions but also raises new ones, fueling our curiosity and drive to understand the cosmos.